Hello students of Standard 6. We welcome you on behalf of Patak School, myself Dwarkeshwar, here in the first lecture of mathematics. What we are going to learn is simple. The one part is index and the another part is revision. First of all, these are the 6 chapters that are going to be included in your semester 1. The chapters are numbers. Numbers, it can be natural number, whole numbers, rationals, fractions also can be there. You have to add them, you have to subtract them, multiply and division. The next, whole numbers. These 2 chapters are very important. That will be till your 10th standard, I can say, and then after, if you opt for science or maths, numbers are important for daily routines. So you have to learn both the chapters very nice. Then comes HCF and the LCM, highest common factorization and the lowest common multiplication. Here from a bigger number you will be going through the factors of that numbers, and then is the lowest common multiplication, LCM. Now the next chapter is integers, 4th one. Okay, so integers, we have to represent them on the number line. There are 2 types of integers, that is a positive that lies on the right side of a 0 and the negative integers that lies on the left side of the 0. You will be learning different properties, that is additive, commutative properties, associative properties, and so different types of properties for addition, subtraction and multiplication. Then comes fractions. Fractions are of different types. There can be improper fraction, mixed fraction. Okay, you have to simplify the question accordingly, whatever instructions are given to you. And last, here is a decimal. Decimals are the point numbers. Okay, after point it can be 2-digit number, 3-digit, means after a point there will be digits given to you, and whatever the question is there you will be going through it. Right, so these are the 6 chapters. All the chapters are very important for you. Okay, now coming to the revision part, as we are knowing that due to the COVID-19 effect, during the lockdown you were getting the things that you are going at your home, you are studying different things at your home. So what we have learned standard 6, it is knowing our numbers. हमें हमारे numbers आने चाहिए. Numbers यानी 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 या that are numbers. ऐसा क्वेश्चन आपके माइंड में आता है कि numbers यानी 1 से लेकर 100 तक, बट नहीं, 100 तक कभी नंबर नहीं होते, उससे ज़्यादा आगे भी नंबर होते हैं और 1 से पीछे भी नंबर्स होते हैं. ओके, सो उस चैप्टर के अंदर हमने क्या लर्न किया, बहुत सारी चीज़ लर्न किए. इधर एक शॉर्ट रिविजन कर लेते हैं. फर्स्ट इज कंपेरिजन ऑफ नंबर्स. सपोज कंपेरिजन मतलब क्या, कौन सा नंबर बड़ा है और कौन सा नंबर छोटा है. सपोज इस क्लास के अंदर 2 स्टूडेंट है, एक का नाम राज है और दूसरे का नाम श्याम है. तो राज की हाइट 5 फुट है और श्याम की हाइट है वो 4 फुट है. राइट, तो दोनों की एज का हम कंपैरिजन करते हैं. कौन बड़ा, राज बड़ा क्योंकि उसकी हाइट 5 फुट है, एंड वो इज द स्मॉलर वन, दैट इज श्याम, उसकी हाइट कितनी है, यस 4 फीट. So that is comparison of number. So 1 is greater than 5 or not? No, 1 is not greater than 5. Greater की साइन, जो नंबर बड़ा उस तरफ आपको मुंह खोलना पड़ेगा. सपोज इधर ये नंबर बड़ा है तो इस तरफ मुंह खोलो. सपोज दिस वन इज देयर, कैन ऑप्ट फॉर दिस. और अगर दोनों नंबर इक्वल है, दोनों की हाइट सेम है, राज और श्याम की 5 हाइट है, 5 फीट दोनों की, राइट, तो दोनों के बीच आएगी इक्वल की साइन. So this is the basic funda for comparison. ये comparison numbers में रहेगा, सभी में रहेगा. फिर आता है ascending and descending orders. मतलब ascending यानी आपको small value से लेके बड़े value तक जाना है, और descending order मतलब बड़ी बिल्डिंग है, आप उसके टॉप फ्लोर पे हो तो वहाँ से आपको धीरे धीरे करके ग्राउंड फ्लोर तक आना है. फिर है प्लेस वैल्यू चार्ट सिस्टम. प्लेस वैल्यू चार्ट सिस्टम यानी क्या, कि उसके अंदर हम वंस प्लेस, टेंस प्लेस, थाउजेंड्स, फिर 100 प्लेस और वो सभी हमने डिस्कस किया. फिर है हमारा यूनिट कन्वर्जन. अगर कोई दो यूनिट आपको डिफरेंट दिया है मीटर और सेंटीमीटर, तो मीटर में से सेंटीमीटर में, सेंटीमीटर में से मिलीमीटर में, और फिर उसका उल्टा हो जाता है मिलीमीटर टू मीटर। और लास्ट हम कोई भी नंबर हमें दिया है, सपोज 68 हमें दिया है, तो उसका नियरेस्ट टेंस कौन सा होगा? 68 यानी 70 के करीब है, तो उसका नियरेस्ट टेंस होगा 70, नियरेस्ट 100 होगा 100 और नियरेस्ट 1000 होगा 1000। तो जो भी नंबर्स हमें दिए होते हैं उस तरह से हम इस पूरे चैप्टर के अंदर हमने ये स्टडी किया था। सो दिस वाज द बेसिक इंट्रोडक्शन ऑफ टू द इंडेक्स, और जो चीज़ आपने रिविजन की वो। सो दिस वाज ऑल अबाउट स्टैंडर्ड 6th। थैंक यू। हेलो स्टूडेंट, on behalf of Patak School, I welcome you all. I hope you all are staying at your home, taking care of yourselves, your neighborhood and your family. Myself, Dwarkesh Sir. Today, I will be taking your maths lectures. In the first lecture, that is, the chapter is integers. So, we will learn what are integers. Before going through integers, we are all aware about the numbers. We have seen numbers like 1, 2, 3 and so up to thousands and much more. And we have also seen the negative numbers. Does negative and the positive numbers lie in integers? Yes or no? Yeah, good. Positive as well as negative, both the numbers are a part of integers. Here, as you can see, this is a number line. The line on which we represent the numbers, that is starting from 0 on the positive on the right side, and on the left side we have two numbers. The numbers which lie on the right side of the 0 are known as positive integers. The numbers which comes are all the natural numbers starting from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so up to, we can take it to the infinite positions wherever we want to go. And the numbers which lie on the left side of the 0, that is on this part, that are the negative integers. See here, it does not include the natural numbers. The numbers which are included in it are the -1, -2, -3, -4, -5 and so on. Here also you can go to the infinite numbers. It does not matter that you have to take this scale only from 1 to 6 in the positive and from -1 to -6 for the negative integers. So, you have to represent all the integers on the number line. Here are some examples of the negative integers as well as the positive integers. Examples of negative are -10, -15, -78, -123, -50, -980. Means it does not only stands for one digit number, it can be for 2 digit, it can be for 3 digit, it can be for 4, 5 and so on. When we come to the positive integers, right, the examples are 25, 120, 48, 587, 76 and 766. Here also the numbers can be of 2 digit, 3 digit, 4 digit and so on. It does not only stands for this much, we can take the numbers whichever we want. So, this was all about the general introductions of integers. You have to represent each and every integer on the number line according to your questions. Students, as we have discussed about the positive integers and the negative integers. Now, moving on to solving the examples for addition and subtraction. Before learning about addition and subtraction, we should learn a general rule for addition and subtraction only. For multiplication and division, it will be different one. So now, for addition and subtraction, whenever there are 4 simple rules to remember, keep in mind. Whenever you have two positive integers and you are adding them, here plus and the second integer is also a plus. So when you add both of them, you will get a new integer. That integer will be in the positive only, because both the integers you are using over here is plus. So the answer will also be in plus. Now second one, the positive integer is added to a negative integers. So plus into minus, that is minus. Now moving next, the third one, minus and minus means for when you have both the numbers as minus, you have to add both the numbers and the answer will be of the bigger sign. Whichever the number is bigger, you will get the answer in that sign. last one is minus and plus. So you have to minus and plus, you have to add both of them, and whichever the number you have to represent the sign. Examples. First one, it is 5, it is a positive integer, and 18, it is also a positive integer. So add both of them. 5 plus 18, answer would be 23. But what about the sign? Here 18 is a bigger number and the sign is positive in front of 18. So you have to take that sign in your answer. So the answer is positive 23. Example number 2. 5 minus 18. So here one is plus, another one is minus. So there you can see that plus minus is minus, right? So just add, subtract the number. 5 minus 18, you have to subtract bigger from the smaller from the bigger number. That is 18 minus 5, that is 13. Now what about sign? 18 is a bigger number. So we have to keep in mind that sign is always of a bigger number. So 18 is a big number and the sign is minus. So the answer is minus 13. Example number 3. Here it is minus 5 and minus 18. Both are minus. So we have to add them. Minus minus is plus. So minus minus plus, add both the numbers. 5 plus 18, we get 23. Now 18 is a bigger number, so the sign will be of 18. So the answer is minus 23. Example number 4. Minus 5 plus 18. We have one negative integer and we have one positive integer. Minus plus is minus. So subtract both the number. 18 minus 5 is equal to 30. And sign of which number? Yes, bigger number. So we have to write the sign of 18, that is plus. So the answer is positive 30. Here we have taken 1 digit, 2 digit. But now we are going to solve the bigger digits number for addition and subtraction. Suppose in the fifth example, we take 25 is added to 28. So both are the positive integers. So the answer will be in positive. 25 plus 28 is equal to 53. And here the bigger number is 28. So if you generally see, both signs are positive. But if you keep in mind that one thing, that which is the bigger number, we have to give the sign to the answer. So 28 is bigger number. So the sign will be of 28, that is plus. So the answer is positive 53. The last example. Minus 25, minus 28. Here both the integers are negative. So minus minus plus, right? So add both the number. 25 plus 28, that is 53. But 28 is a bigger number and the sign before it is of minus, right? So minus 53. So this was all about adding the positive integers to the negative integers, addition. See, minus 53 plus 53. This minus 53 will lie on the left side of the 0. This positive 53 will lie on the right side of the 0. Same for each and every one. You can draw the number line and represent accordingly to your answers. Here it is no need to take the gap of one number. You can take gap of 5 numbers, 6 numbers, 10 numbers and so on. Okay, and you can draw the line accordingly. So this was about addition and subtraction of the positive integers with the negative integers. Students, I hope you have cleared the understanding of positive and negative integers, then addition of a positive integer with a negative integer and the subtraction of it. So as you all are clear with these things, right? Yes, that's good. Now I will be giving you a few examples to solve. I have shown you the examples how to do it, right? So according to that, you have to first find the answer by adding or subtracting the values, whatever you have with you. And after doing that, you have to represent the thing on number line. No need to draw a very big number line. You can take the gappings of 5 intervals, 10, 20 or whatever the value you have. 500, 1000 and so, right? Here are some examples. The question is, represent the following numbers on the number line. Here are some examples that you have to first find the answer and then you have to represent it on the number line. The first one, 50 plus 80, both are positive integers. So also keep in mind the rule that bigger number sign will be your answer. That will come in your answer. First one is 50 plus 80. Second one minus 70 added to 45. Here one negative integer and one positive integer. Third one 47 minus 68. Here one is a positive integer and the next one is a negative integer. Fourth minus 65 minus 125. Here one is a negative integer, another one is also negative integer. Fifth one 482 minus 500. Here one is a positive integer and the second one is a negative integer. Sixth minus 686 minus 723. Here both the integers are negative. Next one, that is 7 minus 489 plus 603. One is a negative integer and another one is a positive integer. Eighth one 1020 added to 2001. Here both the integers are positive. Ninth one 4567 minus 1234. Here one is a positive integer and the another one is a negative integer. Last but not the least, that is minus. Here it is minus sign. 9867 minus 1569. So what you need to do is, as we have seen in the examples of minus 28, minus 25, we have added 5 plus 18, 5 minus 18 and we got the answers accordingly, right? From that examples, you just need to do these things. This is like that only, nothing different from that thing. First find the value. Suppose in the first one, I am just giving you the answer in oral. 50 plus 80, it is 130, right? 130. So 130 is a positive number, right? So it will lie on the positive side, that is on the right side of the 0 on the number line. Whatever value you are taking over here, the same value will have to be represented on the left side of the number line. If you are representing till minus 6, so here 6 integers, same here 12 will be also 6 integers. So for each and every sum, first of all you have to find the value. Whatever answer you get, whether it is positive or negative, if it is positive it will be on the right side, that is on this side. Whether it is negative, that will come on the left side of the 0 on the number line. So you have to do it accordingly. I hope you are clear with the addition and the subtraction of integer and the number line representation.